Things Jamaicans say versus what them really mean. If a Jamaican say you get a jacket, them not talk about clothes. Them a say the baby might not be yours, and the scary part, sometimes the whole community know before you. One auntie a look on you funny, one uncle can't stop laugh, and everybody suddenly start extra nice to you. Now, if a Jamaican tell you no pass your place, it no mean you walking past somebody yard. It mean calm yourself, know your boundaries, stop get too comfortable. Like when somebody start chat too much or get little disrespectful, Jamaicans quick for say, watch yourself now, pass your place. And that's why foreigners stay confused by what sayings, because nothing mean what it sound like. If you enjoy these, check out the book, Things Jamaicans Say versus What They Really Mean. Link in my bio. I saw it go, you tell me. Big up yourself.